To use the Stripe integration and the one-time purchase block, go to Sites and either create a website or a landing page. I have one created here, so I'm just going to go ahead and click Edit. And this takes me to the builder here. So this is the template I chose. And let's go to Blocks, scroll to the bottom, and here we have a reoccurring purchase block and a one-time purchase block. And that's what we're looking at today, the one-time purchase block. So let's get rid of this one. Of course, we don't have to, but that's what I choose to do. And here is the block. Now to edit the block, just go ahead and click this pencil or click the block right over here. Now you can change the editor view. This is the success message. This is what happens once someone purchases. But let's go back to the product view. You can take away the image if you don't want it. You can include or exclude the description, which is over here. And you can position the image in a different way. Have it on the right or have it on the top. I'm going to leave it on the left. You can change the name of the button here. And here is the most important thing. You choose your product. So I already have MailerLite integrated with Stripe. In order to get more information about that and all the settings you need to do, please go ahead and visit the Stripe settings video to see all of that. But for now, I'm just going to choose my product from the drop-down. This product is actually added into Stripe, and now I can go ahead and edit it. Now, I can also choose what happens after someone purchases. So you can have nothing happen, none, or you can have someone added to a group, removed from a group, or you can update the custom field of a person. I'm going to go ahead and add the person to a group. You can select the group from the drop-down, or you can go ahead and create a new group. I'm going to call this group Guide Book Purchase and click Create. And there we go. Now I can go into Settings and change around some of the things here. For example, I can change the button to make it align to the left. I'm going to do that. Click Save. And you can't see it because this is a black cover, but there is a little triangle here. You see the mouse pointer changes, and that allows you to change the size of the image. So this is what I'm going to go for. I'm also going to create a little card around it. That's how I want it to look. After I'm done, I can go ahead and click Save here, and there we go. So thank you for your purchase. If we go to the content, we will see that this is the success message here. The product view is here and the success message. So once we click Save, that goes straight to that success message because there's one thing we forgot, the URL. So we need to put in the URL here. Of course, this is a made-up URL, so no need to visit this link over here. And you can change the button here. So the one-time purchase block, as you see, is very good for digital sales. You can sell a book, a report, or anything that needs a download. Once you're done, you can click Save. And there we go. I'm going to click this block again so we have the product view. And once we're done, just go ahead and click Save. And click Save and Update. Here's the link that I created earlier. I just added guidebook. Of course, if you want a custom link, you need to click Edit, connect that domain to your site, and then you'll be able to choose it from here. So once you copy this link, open a new browser window and paste in that link, you'll see what your website visitors or your landing page visitors will see. And once they click Checkout, they will be taken to the Stripe checkout page where they can put in their payment details and where they can actually purchase the book. And once they pay, they will be taken to that link and they'll be able to download that book. Now, you will see different payment options here depending on what you actually chose in Stripe. So you need to go to your Stripe dashboard and choose or activate all the things over there. And actually, let's do that for a second. Let's go to the dashboard here. Let's go to Settings. And if you go to Payment Methods, depending on your country, you will see a whole list of different payment methods that you can activate or configure. Now, it's also worth noting that if you go to Products and you have no products over here, you will not see them show up in MailerLite, of course. You need to add the product here, give it a name, a description if you want a description to show up in MailerLite, and upload an image. So you also have the possibility to turn on or off that image in MailerLite. Now it's important to note also that we only are able to process the standard pricing type here, so remember to have that here. And here is where you choose the reoccurring or one-time. If you're using the one-time block, the one-time purchase block, well, you need to choose one-time here for this to work. Once you're done, go ahead and click Save Product, and you're ready to go. I'm not going to create a new product, so I'll just turn this off and I'll just go back to MailerLite over here. I'll click Edit again. Now I'll go to the one-time purchase block, click it, and just wanted to show you that if you do not see your product in the drop-down, well, you either didn't add the product or you didn't refresh by using this button here. Otherwise, everything should work just fine. You have a little shortcut to the Stripe dashboard in case you need it. It's right over here. And that's about it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Please click subscribe, use the little bell icon. You can also catch us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and of course, use the little subscribe link in the description to sign up to our newsletter. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.